Hey guys, AlexMan here, back in the hotel room, live from New York City. Well, New York, not New York City, I'm in upstate New York. But anyway, I'm up here traveling for work, bored out of my frickin' mind once I'm done with work, because there ain't nothing to frickin' do up here, unless you like watching horses run around, which some people really do. It's not my thing. But anyway, so I was just going through some old stuff on my computer and found some old footage, OG AlexMan videos from 2013, so some 5-year-old footage. I thought it was pretty funny. This is back from when I was in college, so it's just some funny stuff. I got a good laugh out of it. Thought you guys might like it. Figured I'd throw it up there for you guys. So you'll see another intro right after this, because I actually fully edited this video and had it ready to go up, but it was never put up, so it was never before seen footage, the AlexMan videos back in 2013. So have a look, and I'll see you guys around. Aloha, I'm the AlexMan. So I went oh shit, we got a boat. Oh hey. Oh, he didn't wave, but he saw us. Anyway, I went wheeling with my buddies in the 4Runner. Got it all muddy. And took it to the automatic car wash because I thought it would be easy. But, oh goodness, my notes. My notes are flapping in front of the thing. Anyway, just watch and see what happened. I took the soft top through the automatic car wash. Ultimate CanBack test today for waterproofing. Got the canvas top on, and got some mud on it. CanBack. And we're going to take it to the automatic car wash, and then we're going to see how what we get. Hope the guy doesn't get mad at me. Oh, and we're in here. I had to take my CB down, my CB antenna off. I don't want it to get ripped off. Oh goodness, I'm a little bit worried. There's a Mustang right behind me, making noise. Oh man. I know there's a couple places where water's pumping in. Oh no, here we go. Super spray. Usually a little bit comes in around the doors. Oh no! We are wet today. Oh my goodness. Oh, that is hilarious. Oh man. Remind me not to do that again. Oh. Oh man. Look at. Oh man. Remind me never to do that again. Oh, now we're getting the blow dry. Yeah, so that was pretty dicked. Yeah. I got wet. And look, the truck didn't even get clean. Look at this. Mud. All over. Mud down there. Well, I even paid extra for the underbody wash. And look at it. Not even clean. Not at all. Back wheels. Not even cleaned. At all. What do I spend that money on? Oh my. Yeah, this is a mess. Yeah, so these door seals, you know, they're 26 years old or whatever it is. Yep, they didn't work very well. Water sprayed from the bottom into my ankles. Oh, it was funny. Oh my goodness. So, yeah, remind me never to do that again. That was a bad idea. It was a waste of money. Didn't even get cleaned. It worked fine during Hurricane Sandy, though. I mean, the car was parked. Wasn't really driving anywhere. But, yeah, I didn't have any issues with that. Hurricane Sandy, I parked it out here. Same parking lot. I mean, nothing happened. Didn't even drip inside. But, I mean, that rain's coming down. Car wash, water goes every different which way. So, bad news bears. What did the elephant say to the naked man? How do you breathe out of that thing?